on One UI 8.5 and your Galaxy's acting up, most of these problems trace to one bad app or a known Samsung keyboard bug, not the OS itself. So skip the panic reset. Here's the real fix order. Battery draining fast? The known culprit this cycle is the Samsung keyboard. Open the Galaxy Store, go to your profile, and update Samsung keyboard. Then clear its cache under Settings, Apps, Samsung keyboard, Storage, Reboot, and watch a full day. Keyboard lagging or dropping letters, then dumping them in a burst? It's that same keyboard build, so update it first. If it still stutters, turn off Smart Typing predictions for 48 hours. To confirm, install Gboard and type for an hour. Bluetooth dropping in the car? Older head units choke on the new audio stack. The fix: unpair on the phone and on the car, power cycle both, wait 60 seconds, then pair fresh. If it still drops, clear the system Bluetooth cache. Phone running hot? Some heat is normal the first 48 hours while indexing finishes, but sustained heat means a runaway app. Open battery usage, find the one app that never sleeps, or stop it and clear its cache before blaming the OS. Keep it patched. Stable One UI 8.5 rolled out May 6th worldwide by the 11th, and Samsung's been pushing maintenance patches since. Open Settings. Software update once a day for the first 2 weeks after it reaches your region. And whatever you do, skip the factory reset. The drain almost never traces to One UI 8.5 itself. It traces to one app, one Galaxy Store update away. A rollback through Smart Switch wipes the phone and can even trip knock security. So update the Samsung keyboard first. That one move fixes both the headline battery drain and the keyboard lag because they share a root cause. Then patch daily and skip the factory reset. Full guide on phone.tips